My life is complete. Everything's perfect now. Cause we got Maid Barou! Hello my treasure and welcome back to another Blue Log video. And in today's Blue Log video, we are gonna have a look at the Ichiban Kuji that was released the beginning of May for a Blue Log additional time. And yes, this Blue Log additional time had the figure that I have been waiting for since its creation in Nagi and Isagi's mind, because we have now in our possession the Maid Blue Log figure. Yes, I know. Oh my god, I've been wanting this figure for so long, and I know it's just recently released, but hey, ever since Isagi and Nagi dreamed up Maid Barou, it's just been, you know, like going through my mind that I'm like, that is the one figure that I need in my life. And Bandai did what they had to do, and that was create the most iconic Maid Barou figure out there. And let me tell you how much of a Maid Barou fan I am. Like, I love everything Blue Log, right? And I buy a lot of Blue Log stuff, but I specifically went out of my way to buy multiple packages of the Blue Log bookmarks that were released 2 years ago because it had a Maid Barou in it, okay? It had a Maid Barou in it, and I needed this Maid Barou on the ketchup, okay? This has been in the videos for so long. It's sitting there in the back, in my back screen. This is one of the things that has not changed and will not be removed because Maid Barou is the most iconic, dreamed up character out there. So yeah, let's get straight into what does this Ichiban Kuji have and what items did I get from this Ichiban Kuji. Here we have the Ichiban Kuji Blue Log additional time, and oh my gosh, look at how adorable it is, right? It also says here additional time. You see here Maid Barou surrounded by sparkles. You see a half sleeping Nagi, and you see a laughing Isagi, which, oh my gosh, so adorable. This one was released on the 2nd of May for in stores and on the 7th of May online. And let's have a look. Here you can see all the figures, and this is, by the way, a figure which is the last price figure, but let's just have a more detailed look here. There we go. So we had the A price, that was Isagi. Isagi is just so cute laughing here. We have Nagi here, which of course also very adorable, and he's just sleeping there relaxing. And then this was the price figure that I wanted more than anything in life, and that is Maid Barou holding his ketchup and squeezing it, because oh my gosh. Then we had the D price, and they come with the most adorable little plushies in their training jackets. And we have Isagi, we have Rin, we have Nagi, and we have Ryo. Then also it came with, and I didn't get any of these, but I hope once I'm in Japan I can get them. We have the E price, which are, they call them the door plates. And there we have from Jubei the Osha. This is also such an iconic additional time. And then we have the You Are Not Bon. Which is so funny, right? This is Raichi's additional time. I love this one. And they say there are, how many are there in this lineup? Yeah, there are, I think, 2 in this lineup, which is the E price. Then we have the acrylics, and the acrylics have them in their animal form, I think. Oh yeah, this is, of course, there is an additional time where they talk about who looks like what type of animal. And well, basically Isagi looks like an insect because of his 2 little things on his head. He looks like a stag beetle, I think it was. And then we have Rin, who looks like a monster. And then we have Nagi, who of course looks like a sloth, because it's so adorable. And I don't know, what was he? Is he a cat? Let's have a look. I think he's a cat. I think, do I remember him being, yeah, I think I do. And then we have the chameleon. Because he can take over, right? So we have the chameleon Ryo, because oh my gosh, so cute. And then we have the slime fox here. And these were the 6 acrylics. Also, these I did not get because I bought a lot which had the figures in it and some additional items in it, but not everything. But I hope to pick some of these up also once I'm in Japan. Then we had the rubber straps, and these are after second selection, the order of which the teams came in. And we all know, of course, the final team that came in, right? And who was in that team and who was not in that team. Spoiler alert, it wasn't Kunigami who was in that team. And then we have the H prize, which is the scene acrylics. And we have here one of the most iconic one, right? We have the toothbrush. Like, I'll forgive him not. But we know what he's actually saying. I love him not. Okay, we know this. And then, of course, here Rio being the best housewife ever. And of course, them thinking Sei is like really pretty and would be a really pretty girl. It's so funny. And Baro, of course, being angry at Isagi and Nagi for talking smack about him and picturing him in his maid outfit, which of course we all love, right? It's still so super adorable. And then we have the clear poster and sticker set. So I did get a couple of those, and I did get a couple of those. And then we also have the last prize, which is the sleeping or the X mark Nagi, which, oh, so adorable. I did not get that one because, like I said, my main focus was getting Maid Baro. So yeah, now that we've run through this whole Ichiban Kuji, let's now have a look at all the prices. There we go. And we're going to start with the A prize, which is Isagi laughing, of course, about his made-up reality for Baro. And look at how adorable this is. I love it that it also says additional time because, yeah, this is the Ichiban Kuji for additional time. So let's now have a look at the figure. There we go. We have the figure here in front of us, and this is what Isagi looks like. Look at this. Look at his flat behind me. So yeah, this is like a noodle stopper, and it is so adorable figure. He's just laughing and having fun. And yeah, I love these Ichiban Kuji prize figures. They are better than the regular prize figures. There's more detail in it, and they're a bit bigger than the regular figures, prize figures. But yeah, I love this one. This is so adorable. Okay, now we're gonna have a look at Nagi lying on his pillow. And yes, this is what the box looks like. Of course, it says again, additional time. This is what the side looks like. And here we have the front, the back, everything stunning. So yeah, let's get this out of the box. And there we go. Ooh, the light is shining very brightly on Nagi. I think I need to put B-roll over it. But this is the Nagi figure. And yes, he is super adorable. He looks really laid back here, just lounging there, hugging his pillow, being all like, okay, I like this. His feet are also very, very detailed if you look at his feet. But yeah, it's a really, really nice figure. He also has his mouth open, but you cannot see it because of the light that is shining so bright on it. But he's like, oh, what are we talking about? So yeah, this is the Nagi figure for additional time. And now we come to the most important one, okay? We come to Maid Baro, okay? This is the most important figure ever out there for Blue Lock. Okay, I'm sorry. I love my Shidos as well. I know. I went above and beyond for Shido. But let's all enjoy Maid Baro, okay? Maid Baro is amazing. I mean, you have the most alpha male out there in the whole Blue Lock series. And you put him in a maid costume. And he becomes iconic, okay? I have a Baro curse, which means every time I get blind packages, blind boxes, I get Baro. But I get the regular Baro, right? I don't get, you know, like Maid Baro. I always get Baro, even though I don't want Baro. I have a whole shrine for Baro, even though I don't want a whole shrine for Baro. But now, there is a purpose for that shrine, because all those regular Baros will stand surrounding this amazing Baro figure. So yeah, let's get this amazing Baro figure out of the packaging and let's have a look at it. Okay, because Maid Baro is so heavy, it comes with an additional piece so that he stands. But these heels he's wearing some good heels, okay? But yeah, when I took this figure out of the box, oh my gosh, I let out a small tear because he is freakishly amazing. And what you're seeing on the camera does it no justice. Look at Barou squeezing that bottle for dear life. And, you know, like, it feels like those mini-verse things, right? The real minis. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. But look at those calf definitions. Look at it. Look at it. Look at his shoes. He's wearing amazing shoes. And those bows surrounding him. Oh my God, his thighs. Ah! And then, of course, we're going to do something very inappropriate. So, kitties, look away. There we go. We have the underneath side. He's wearing the most adorable bloomers. I love it. I love these bloomers. They're so cute. Okay, now then, kitties can come back again. Here we go. And here we have the bow on the back. And look at that muscle definition on his back. Damn, I've never seen so much muscles on somebody's back. Other than maybe, you know, like those Olympic bodybuilder type of dudes. But oh my God, look at that muscle definition. And then also look at his arms, right? There is 0 grams of fat on those arms. It's just muscles. There's nothing there. And those poor ketchup bottles, they will not survive this. And, you know, like the top can hardly contain what is here, right? I have the same problem, but I have it for a different reason. But with him, you know, like the top can hardly, you know, retain it from popping out. But the puffy sleeves are also so adorable. And just this figure is everything, okay? I love this figure. This figure is the best figure from Barou out there. You cannot convince me otherwise. No matter what type of figure you're gonna show me, there's not gonna be any better figure. And now you're looking, I think, at the back because you're looking at Sir Goro, right? And I know there's gonna be a Sir Goro figure. So don't look at him, okay? He will get his figure. He will get his time. Okay, like I said, I bought a lot, and in the lot there were also some additional things in there. I paid roughly for the lot, including shipping, taxes, and of course the price of the items, right? I paid around 140 euros. Yes, I know this sounds like a lot of money, but we pay 21% taxes, and because it contained, you know, like these figures and everything, the shipping wasn't also that cheap. Because everything in the lot was around 90 euros, right? So as you can see, right, the majority I'm paying for taxes and shipping. But yeah, let's now grab another prize that I got. So I did also get a D prize, one of the plushies. And I got Isagi. Yes, of course, I wanted to really have Rio. But Isagi is my second favorite because he's just so adorable, my little beetle guy. So yeah, let's get Isagi out of the packaging because I don't want him in there anymore, right? Because this lot came in, I think, around 2 weeks ago, but I just didn't have the time to film anything. Because, yeah, I was preparing, of course, for, you know, like, hooray, happy Pride Month. So yeah, I didn't have time to film this thing because I bought these ones immediately after they released, right? So I went on Macari and I ordered a lot and I was like, you know what? I need these figures. I need Barou. Barou needs to be in my life. But here we go. Here we have cute little Isagi, and he's a bit how do you say that? He's I need to do something about the light. The light is a bit it's a bit too light here. But this is what cute little Isagi looks like, and he's gonna join his friends there at the back, right? Because there are other Blue Lock friends there at the back sleeping in the bed. But yeah, this is cute little Isagi, and I love this little plushie. Oh, it's so adorable. Okay, that was the Isagi plushie. So I didn't get any of the wall scrolls, door scrolls. I did manage to snag some of these. So these are the H price and the G price. I did also already open one package of each, and let me show you which ones I got. There we go. So we have for the H price, we got Sleeping Nagi. So yeah, that's an adorable one. If you want to see the short of me unboxing this one, Go check out the short. But yeah, here we have sleeping Nagi. And then the other one, I was hoping, of course, to get the number 7 team. And I got the number 3 team, which has Otoya and some other guys in there. So I was not into, you know, like team 3. Yeah, no. So yeah, I got the one which I wanted the least. But that's okay, right? Because we still have, there we go. We still have these, okay? And I still have these, okay? So we are gonna unpack 2 here, and the other 2 you get to see in this short. So let's open this one. So I'm gonna start with the G prize, and then let's open this together so that we know, you know, like this was closed very well. Okay, come on. Team number 7. Give me team number 7. Please, 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 please. What did I have? What do I have? What do I have? Who do I have? Okay, I'm leaving this in unedited because or else nobody's gonna believe it. I got the one that I wanted. Yay! I'm so happy. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, come on. Come on. There we go. We got team number 7. We got my man Shido! I'm so happy! Oh my god. Yes! I so wanted this one. You cannot imagine how bad I wanted team number 7, okay? Because, you know, there is Shido merch, but not as much Shido merch as I would want to, right? So, there we go. We got our boy Shido. Team number 7. So now I don't care what's in the other package anymore. Even if I have a double, I don't care anymore because I got team number 7. Okay, now then, we have this one, the H prize. Okay, I want really Rio with a toothbrush, but I already have a lot of cards with Rio with a toothbrush, so I'm fine if I don't get it. Kind of also want Sei being imagined by his teammates as a girl, because, you know, I don't have a lot of that scene particularly. But you know what? Maybe I want the one with Shido. Oh gosh. Okay, in this one there are just too many good ones. Okay, no. Opening this. I am not a good blind bag opener. No. I've opened so many blind bags and still. You gotta be kidding me. This is just too funny. The last one I say is the one I get. Okay. 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 I hear you. I hear you. Okay. Thank you. Lady Luck. Ah! I got rid of Shido. Oh my gosh. This is so funny. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them being all like, huh? Oh my god. See, okay. You know what? I'm a bottom magnet and I'm a Shido magnet. Let's leave it at that. Yes, I'm wearing a Michael Kaiser shirt, but you know what? I'm so happy. Okay, this is an amazing pull. Oh, I love it. Okay, then for the final items that I got in this lot were actually some of the clear posters. So we got the one from Yukimura. And yeah, very, very cute, you know, like he's in his cat. And this is the sticker it comes with. Of course, we have my Foxy boy. There we go. With also this sticker that it comes with. And then we have Isagi being the beetle boy that he is. There we go. We have our cute little Isagi. And yes, I love it. Okay, Isagi is so cute and adorable. So I'm very happy. It would have been nice if he was wearing these clothes. But I'm fine that he's wearing, you know, like his trainer outfit. Because it does look cute. But yeah, that's going to be it for this unboxing video. And looking at the Ichiban Kuji from Blue Lock. I really wish there were more Ichiban Kujis from Blue Lock coming out, right? I need more of these figures. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I say miss you, love you, bye-bye.